Hi viewers, and welcome back to Fitness Vault. If you are someone who is skinny and wants to increase your weight, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to discuss 5 ways which will help you to gain weight. Let's get started. Eat more. The first thing is to eat. Eat more than usual and more often because there should be a rise in calorie intake. You should include high protein and nutritious food into your diet, which can help you gain weight. Add green veggies, eggs, dairy products, nuts and meat to your meal. When I talk about eating, stop taking big meals but eat smaller portions throughout the day. Keep track of how many calories you are taking in. If you are feeling hungry, then you're not having enough food, so make sure to eat enough and be full. Always keep fruits or snacks like nuts or smoothies to keep the stomach full. Improve your metabolism. Yes, maintaining a healthy metabolism is really important in order to perform your daily activities faster. Poor metabolism can lead to several health issues. In order to avoid such problems, you should maintain your metabolism. But how do you do that? It is pretty simple. You eat food, you burn calories and digest the food. This should be an ongoing process that helps you maintain a healthy metabolism. Sleep. People ignore the fact that sleep plays a major role in maintaining our health. Any person needs at least 6 minutes 8 hours of good sleep, and less than 5 hours of sleep is insufficient. Leads to sleep deprivation, where lack of sleep results in numerous diseases. At the same time, quality sleep and resting a couple of hours will actually help you in multiple ways. Working out. Many of us assume that going to the gym and working out is only for weight loss. No, absolutely wrong. We should work out and build muscle even to gain weight. Especially strength training will help you develop your muscles faster. But first, we all know that we hate waking up in the morning and going to the gym, but we should wake up early. To start your fitness journey, waking up early is a crucial step. As you wake up early, you do not miss out on your breakfast. Skipping breakfast is a wrong choice. Always have a healthy and full breakfast. When you eat, only then you can work out right. Try out different workouts, lift weights and build muscle. Eat more. Yes, eat more. This is the first rule and the last rule for skinny people. I know it is hard to eat plenty when it comes to thin people, but there is no other easy way to gain weight. A healthy breakfast, a wholesome meal, protein shakes and smoothies and dinner, all of these should be included. Try adding protein-rich food to your diet, like dairy products, oats, peanut butter and meat, which helps you gain weight faster. These are 5 ways that will help you put on some extra pounds. Remember, slow is the new fastest way to success. So, if you want to achieve anything, you must be consistent with the process. Always listen to your body and try to understand it. Please do not force it to eat more than your capacity, which might again lead to different health issues. There is no such ideal weight or figure. We are all beautiful in our respective bodies. All you need to be is healthy and fit, but not gaining a certain number of. Eat more. Be happy in your own skin and embrace it. I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe to our Fitness Vault channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.